Today, in this video, we are going to talk about the process of putting a tugboat back into the water after it has been taken out for maintenance. This procedure is critical to ensure the vessel is safe, stable, and fully prepared before returning to operation. Before launching, all the necessary checks are carried out to make sure no mistakes are made. Not only the tugboat, but also the launching path is inspected. Divers go underwater to confirm that the track on which the boat will be lowered is clear, undamaged, and not blocked in any way. Next comes the timing. We wait for the correct time, when the tidal level reaches its highest point. This helps reduce the distance the tugboat needs to be dragged, making the launching process safer and more efficient. Before starting the pulling operation, a few crew members are boarded onto the vessel. Their role is to monitor the tugboat and ensure it does not tilt or lose balance while the launching process is in progress. With the high tide, the pulling operation is started. The helping tug remains in position and applies only a slow, steady pull. The towing line is allowed to stretch fully, ensuring proper control. The clutch is part of the winch system. The trailer, which is connected to the winch by a steel wire rope, is then released gradually through the clutch. This controlled release allows the vessel to move smoothly, maintaining balance and stability throughout the launching process. Then the actual pulling of the tugboat begins. The process is done slowly and carefully to ensure the vessel does not get damaged or break away from the trailer. After some time, the boat finally touches the water again, following its long period of maintenance. But the operation is not over yet. The vessel must be carefully lowered using the winch clutch until it is fully afloat, ensuring stability and safety throughout the process. Once the tug is fully afloat, it automatically lifts off the trailer. At this point, the helping tug completes its work and removes the towing lines. Before that, new lines are attached to the dock to secure the vessel safely to the pier. Once the tug is properly tied and secured, the launching process is complete. The remaining maintenance work, such as installing hanging dampers and other fittings, can then be carried out safely. So, this brings us to the end of this video. We hope you now have a clear understanding of the careful process involved in putting a tugboat back into the water after maintenance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into marine operations.